Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the system section. Now system settings, sorry. Now just scroll a little bit more down in, and if the developer options they are activated, you'll see here the developer options section. And now just to hide them, you should click here once on the switcher, and as can you see, all of the options they are blocked. And now if we'll go back into the system settings, we can see that the developer options section is gone. And that's it. So that's how to hide developer options on our Oppo Reno 7 device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.